Hi friends, I hope you're having a good weekend. So today I am going to be looking at this new tool I got. I'm so excited. This is the Calista StyleDryer Custom Blowout Pro, aka the Calista version of a hot air brush. And I'm so excited because I recently purchased the hot brush from Calista. It's the Calista Perfector Pro, which looks like this. And I have to say, this is like my favorite tool right now. I bought this like about maybe a month and a half ago, and I have been using it all the time. Pretty much every day that I don't wash my hair and I just want to do a quick style, this is it. This has been my go-to tool lately. So anyways, I was so impressed with this Calista brand that I thought I would try their hot air brush. So I haven't opened this box. It's been sitting in my office for like a week and I've just been drooling over the box. So this is what the box looks like. The packaging of its products is so nice, I have to say. I'm very impressed with the packaging and the quality. Okay, so what's in the box? So we've got the base right here. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Came with a little book, and then we've got the top here. So I think this is for probably traditionally for longer hair. Oh, and there's another one. There's also this attachment, which would be like if you were brushing your hair out. I think this one is probably used by people with longer hair, but I will try both attachments out. Now they have more attachments that you can get. You can get oval brushes that have these 3 attachments, which I probably will purchase if I don't like one of these attachments, but the 2 things in the box were these 2. Let's take this baby out and see how it goes. So while I'm putting this together, I'm coming off of a 3-day weekend. I'm actually recording this on Monday. Today is Memorial Day in the United States. I've had an extremely relaxing weekend. I did spend probably about 2 or 3 hours yesterday doing a spring cleaning, and it's just wonderful after you do spring cleaning. Like, you walk around your house going, oh, my house is so clean. I don't know, it just gives you a nice sense of well-being. So was very happy to have the time to do that, plus lots of relaxing. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. You put it here and clip it in, and it looks like they've got 3 settings. There's cool, low, and high. And I'm gonna turn it on so you can hear how it sounds. Here is the low. Okay, that's how it sounds at low. It's actually pretty loud. And then the high. And then the cool. Okay, just to let you know what attachments I got, I actually read the box. I got the 1-inch oval brush. That's the size I got. And I got the styling brush attachment. And according to this little booklet, you can get more attachments. They have round brush attachments, and they have much bigger attachments. Like, I got the 1-inch, but there's also a 2-inch and a 2.75-inch. Here's the directions here. So you're gonna attach the styling brush, choose the desired setting, start with a section 2-inch wide by 1-inch thick, create lift and volume by placing the style brush underneath the section at the root, and slowly run the brush through the section to the ends. Pretty standard stuff here. They also have other attachments that you could get, which are the concentrator, which directs heat to a specific area, which kind of looks like a blow dryer attachment. And then they've got a paddle brush. They do have a round brush attachment that looks like this right here that I will probably get. All right, so I just can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna first spray my hair with some sea salt spray texturizer. The one I've been using is this Osensia sea salt spray. By the way, my mom gave me a haircut this weekend, so it's much shorter and it feels, oh man, it feels so much nicer. I said I was gonna leave the top a little longer, but I told my mom I was just like, cut it off. It felt so nice to get some of the hair off my head. I don't know what it is. Probably a lot of people with pixie cuts have this issue, but once your hair gets longer than you normally style it, it just feels gross. I was in the need of a haircut, especially in the back. So yeah, it was really great getting my hair cut, and then I did my color this morning. I also put like a toner on it, and the toner kind of makes it darker, so that's why it's not completely blonde looking here, but it does look really good dry. So I haven't completely mastered coloring my hair. My powder lightener doesn't seem to get the roots as blonde as it was in the salon, so I might have to try to see if I can find a different brand. And I also don't have a purple powder lightener. I have just the regular white powder lightener, and I'm wondering if maybe that's the difference. So I think I'll try to get a purple powder lightener where you have to mix developer with it this next time I try it. But anyways, I am ready to try this new brush out, and still haven't found the holy grail of hot air brushes. I'm hoping this is it. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna start on high because I really wanna see how it does on the high setting as compared to my other hot air brushes that I have. So here we go. By the way, I have to say, very comfortable. This feels so much different than my other hot air brushes. Maybe because these little bristles, they bend and they're really soft. Right off the bat, I'm liking how this feels on my head. All right, I just want to try the other attachment. So you have to press this little button right here, and then you can take it off, and we'll put the other one on. Looks like this. So I want to pause and tell you what I think about the motor on this thing. The airflow is a lot higher on this, I'm noticing, than my other two hot air brushes. Very impressed with the airflow. It's also nice and hot air. Not really sure which attachment I like better. I really want to try it again with the small round brush attachment, so I will be ordering that this week. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this one because you can get the hair around it to curl. So not that I really want to curl my hair, but I want to style it with volume. So let's finish this blow dry out with this attachment. All right, gonna finish out the style with this other attachment just because I like flip-flopping so much. My hair is almost dry, just slightly damp, so I'm gonna finish it out with this. Okay, so first impressions. I really like the brush. I like how easy it is. It's very light. Between these two attachments, I do think I like this one better, only because with short hair, this one, it didn't seem like you could get hair really around this, which is why I need the other attachment attachment. So what I'll do is I'll order it and then I'll do another video on this with the other attachments. But the airflow of this is pretty remarkable. I just have to tweak which attachment I use. But that being said, like a quick blow dry, I could use this attachment really easily and get my hair dry pretty quickly. It didn't take very long. My hair was pretty wet when I started this video, so I felt like the time was pretty standard compared to my other two hot air brushes. So yes, I am very impressed. I'm impressed with the quality of this and the airflow. Now I just have to tweak what attachment I use. So I'm definitely excited to have this now. I'm gonna play with it this week and I'll share tips the next time I talk about this thing. So just to finish this out, I'm gonna go ahead and put some taffy on my hair. This is the Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy. I'm gonna get just a little bit like that. So while I'm playing with my hair, how has your week been? I feel like we're in such a weird time right now with this pandemic going on and people starting to venture out. I still haven't really ventured out. There's kind of some spikes in cases around where I live, so we haven't really changed anything about what we're doing for now. So it's kind of strange because we're, you know, in a new time, but it's almost like it's been 3 months now and we're just kind of in a groove and we're still hunkered down at home and not venturing out. Haven't been in a store in 3 months, which is nuts. We have saved some money. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have the jobs that we have, and I know a lot of people are in a dire situation with being out of work and stuff. So my heart goes out to you if you're one of those people that are struggling right now. I have a lot of compassion for a lot of the pain people are going through, whether they have loved ones or they're sick or they're financially impacted by all this. So my heart goes out to you. We'll get through this. Anyway, I think that turned out really cute and my hair is dry and was easily styled. Let me show you the back. I'm gonna do a really quick spray. I think it turned out cute. So yeah, I'm excited for this new hot air brush. This is great. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I usually put out videos every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Try to get outside sometime this week and get a little bit of sunshine. Anyways, we'll see you later. Bye.